Hey guys, we're going to walk through the 2022 Avenger LE. This is the 28QBSLE. This camper is at 34 feet 6 inches. This is a bunkhouse model. You have a dry weight of 6,203 pounds, gross vehicle weight of 7,780 pounds. Let's take a walk around this camper, see what all we have to offer on this beauty. Hey guys, here we are outside of the 2022 Avenger 28QBS LE. There is a space in between there. So this is the Avenger LE. This camper is a great entry-level camper. It is 34 feet and some change long, so 35 feet. Is half-ton towable. It is a great camper. Let's take a walk around it and see what we have to offer. So here we have a gigantic pass-through storage. Entrance is a little small, but once you get in there, you can see it is full pass-through, as well as it goes underneath of the queen-size bed in the main bedroom. Of course, you have yourself a full-size awning that runs down the entire length of the camper and has an LED strip. Other than that, there's really nothing on the outside. It is a pretty typical camper by Avenger, and has this awesome paint job. They did a great job. So let's take a walk inside. All right, here we are inside of the Avenger. As soon as you walk in, of course, you see this beautiful countertop with this single basin sink. Awesome cabinetry above, so plenty of storage throughout this camper. Of course, you have yourself a 12-volt refrigerator there and a 3-burner cooktop with a nice oven below it. Immediately over here to my right, you'll see the entertainment center. Nice little inlaid radio with 2 speakers on each side, as well as a place to mount your TV behind it. Awesome little place, awesome little setup here. Over here in the slide, you'll see you have a full hide-to-bed system there. Couch that you could also get for a futon style, which is what this specific one is. And of course, right here you have yourself a dinette, which also makes down into a bed. Awesome little setup in this super slide here. Great little camper, of course, with the blackout blinds. Moving into the bathroom, of course, you have yourself a nice little space here. Awesome vanity for your wife to do her makeup for when you guys go out into the on date night. Plenty of counter space, as well as a nice huge shower for any of the extracurricular activities you're going to do. Here we are in the bunkhouse of this camper. You have yourself 4 twin bed on the bed bunks on the teddy bear mattress. You also have yourself a nice entertainment area. There is a backer here for you to be able to mount to, and of course plenty of cabinetry space for all your kids to be able to keep their toys, clothes, anything in. So nice little bunk area. Of course, it also has air conditioning ducts and furnace stuff in the floor, so they'll be nice and climate controlled in this nice little bunk area. Here we are in the main bedroom of this of the Primetime Avenger, the 28QBSLE. You do have a TV backer here, as well as Wi-Fi access here. You also have his and her cabinetry on each side of this queen bed, as well as access to that huge pass-through storage from outside, so you can get a hold of anything under there. They also give you a nice rod to prop that up, like the hood of your old Camaro you had back in the 80s. So again, huge storage in here. Nice little place to relax in the evening that you had playing with your kids, kayaking, having a good day. So thank you for joining me on this walkthrough of the 2022 Avenger 28QBSLE. Again, my name is Dalton with RV Wholesalers. We have this walkthrough as well as many others with different qualities on our YouTube channel. Follow us, give us a like. Hope to see you again.